In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Kali Linux in VirtualBox in Windows. So first I'll be showing you how to install VirtualBox, then install Kali Linux in it. So let's get started. Just Google VirtualBox and click on the first link. And here we'll be having download button under get started. Click that. And we are having VirtualBox for different operating system. Just click on Windows hosts and the download will be getting started. It is around 169 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it. We'll be getting the Oracle VirtualBox installer. Click on next, accept the license agreement, next, and this is going to be the default location where it will get installed. I have changed it. If you want to change it, just click on change and select the drive and the folder of your choice. Once you have done that, select next and click on yes. Yes also. And these are fine. Click on next and install. Once everything is done, click on start and select finish. And that's it. We'll be getting the Oracle VirtualBox manager like this. And if you type VirtualBox, we'll be having the Oracle VirtualBox app. You can simply open and use it. So now that we have installed VirtualBox, just search for Kali Linux and we'll be having the official link kali.org. Select it and here just click on download. We'll be having two options, installer images and virtual machines. Just click on installer images and here we are having two options to download it. One is for Windows and this is for Apple. Just click on the download option here. It will be getting downloaded. It is around 4.4 GB in size, so just be patient for a while. Once the download is complete, just go to your VirtualBox and here we will be having the new option. Select it and I will just name it as Kali Linux and I will change the virtual machine folder. If you want to, you can leave it default. Next is the ISO image, so just click on other and select the file that we have just downloaded and click on open. That is done. OS is going to be Linux. OS distribution is going to be Debian. And here also Debian 64-bit is fine. Leave that. You can go to the next one. This is fine. Click on the virtual hardware. Make sure that you're having almost to the medium level range, okay, depending upon the amount of RAM that your system has. So in my case, I will go with almost half. Okay, this is fine. Yep. And next is going to be the hard disk space. So I'll just go with, let's say, around 40 or 50, that would be fine, and click on finish. And we'll be having the Kali Linux over here. Right click, settings, and here we are having display. Make sure that it is kept at max, and after that go to general, features. Let this be like bidirectional so you can easily like copy and paste files between your virtual machine and the host. I'll just click on OK. And now we are done with the necessary settings. Select Kali Linux and click on start. So this is the first time we are actually like opening Kali Linux, so we need to install it. We'll be getting so many options. It says press a key, so I'll just click on enter and we need to select a language. I'm fine with English. I will just click on continue and just select your location and select continue. The keyboard type, continue. After that, here you need to enter the host name of the system. You can change it if you want to. I will just click on continue and this is fine. You can leave it blank. Continue and just give the name of the user. I'll just go with new user. Just give the username of your choice and click on continue. Continue. We need to enter the password over here and click on continue. And you can just configure the time zone that you want. I will click on continue. And next is about disk partitioning. I will just keep it simple. Go with the first one and click on continue. This is also fine. Continue. And all files in one partition. Yeah, that is good. Continue. And just select finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Change it to yes and click continue. This will take some time. Just be patient. I will just go with the default settings. Click on continue. Install bootloader. Select yes and click on continue. And just select our hard disk and click on continue. This will install the bootloader now. And after some time we'll be getting installation is complete. Please continue to reboot. Just click on continued. And this is finishing the installation and it will restart the Kali Linux. And here we need to enter the username and password. So I will just enter that. And that's it. We'll be getting the Kali Linux interface like this. And the full screen mode is also working. You can just go to view full screen mode to do the full screen. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Run a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.